In all of our French and Spanish Voces titles, you'll see can-do statements throughout the curriculum. Traditionally, these students would complete the activity, then click on the can-do statement to mark their self-assessment. Now, a lot of teachers would note that students would forget to do it, or they want a way to remind the students to complete the can-do statement. We can do that from the Account Settings section by automating our can-do statements. Automating the can-do statements will create a pop-up window, so if the student submits the activity without completing the self-assessment, they'll be prompted to complete that self-assessment. To start setting this up, we'll choose the Teachers panel and then the gear icon for Account Settings. From here, we'll scroll down a bit to where we see the Automated Can-Do Statement section. By default, the Automated Can-Do will be set to off. If we click that red box to turn it green, we'll see that the Automated Can-Dos are now on. Once that's green, we can close out of Account Settings, and now when students complete the activity, that automatic pop-up will come up prompting them to self-assess that can-do statement once they submit their assignment. If you run into any issues or if your students aren't seeing the pop-up, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach us from any of the options under the question mark icon within your account.